Okay, there's a new update from Lost Dog that says you can withdraw your token now. The withdrawal to exchange is available now to Bitget. If you have your Bitget wallet, you can go ahead and link it up. If you know you do the less Lost Dog airdrop, the Woof token withdrawal is available now for you to withdraw. Okay, I'll walk you through how you can be able to withdraw it. Okay, yeah, that's open. I just have 2,800 of the token. That is the Wolf token. Okay, so it says zero gas fee if I want to claim to exchange. Okay, so if you want to claim, just click on the claim. Okay, click on the claim. It says, do you have Bitget account? If you know you don't have, you create one. Okay, if you know you don't have, you create one. Okay, say at the moment claiming to the exchange is available. On-chain withdrawal will be available for everyone after the listing. Okay, so if you know you have a budget and exchange account, just follow the instruction and then guide you. So you click continue if you have the budget account already. Okay, then say the wolf deposit address. Okay, that's where we'll go to the budget to get our deposit address and the budget UID, your user identity. Okay, then you go look for your budget, not budget wallet, not the budget wallet. Okay, is the Bitget exchange itself. Okay, okay. To get your UID, okay, you click on this dot at the top here. Click at the dot, click, then you click on you see your UID at the top here. Then you copy it, go to this side of your Bitget deposit, you paste it here. Then you go back, you minimize, you go back, click back. Then you click on deposit. As you click deposit, you click on deposit crypto, the top first one here. Okay, after that then you search Woof, you will see it will pop up written lost dog. Okay, click on it. Yes, it's under Tom blockchain. You don't need to change it, it's already under Tom blockchain, so it's okay. What you just need is to copy the wallet address only. You click on it. Once you click on it, you minimize, then you go back, you click on the deposit address, then you paste it there. Okay, once you are done, you click continue. Okay, okay. Your Tom wallet, if you fail to pass KYC on budget, we will withdraw your we will withdraw to your Tom wallet. Okay, this is an alternative way to get your Woof. So if you didn't pass your KYC on the budget, the alternative way, they will send it to your Tom keeper wallet, since it was linked before you apply the exchange. So once you confirmed it, continue, and you confirm you are okay with it, you continue. Okay, okay. It said, are you sure you want to withdraw 2,000 of this token to budget? Yes. Then you say click yes. uh, it's done. Like that, say Wolf claiming is in process, it's in progress, so you're good to go.